This is a fiberglass stove and demolition now uh, to convert it to tile. So I'm using a saw so to cut it in pieces. When you do it, make sure that there's no cables or pipes behind the wall. So I checked it already. Before I start cutting, I took some pictures from the top, and there was no cables, there was no pipes. But this wall, that wall has pipes, so that one has to be really careful. Probably I had to use different tool, like a granger or something. See, it's coming out, but it's a hard work, and then it's a little itchy because this one is fiberglass, so I had to wear mask and all protections required. There are some areas that it's going to be really hard to cut it because it has good, so that one is gonna be really hard to cut it. In other areas it's gonna be easy. So I cut it in half, but to get it out you had to break it in pieces because this is really tight in the walls. When they put it in, they put it in without walls. Actually, they only had the two walls, the corner walls. But once they had the corner walls, so they installed the toe, and then they built this wall. So that one is make it really tight. So it's impossible to get it out without cutting it. You have to cut it in pieces. Otherwise, you never get it out. There you have it. Cut it in half. It's a fiberglass. This is the material that they made the boats. So to avoid cutting the pipes behind here, so what I'm gonna do is I draw a line in there. I'm going to remove the corner bit. I'm going to remove this plate, this thing, and then once I remove all that and remove the drain, I'm going to pull this one far away from the wall, so that way I don't cut any pipes and then I don't have any leakage. So I'm cutting in the middle. The reason why is because when I do the tile, I want to this corner to be a nice corner. See, and this side is a round corner. So I don't want to miss that. I don't want to create more work for me. So I'm gonna do is just cut the middle of it, and then when I do drywall in this side, I just will put the corner beer, and then the tile is gonna look good all the way up. So once you cut all the way, you can do is grab a hammer and try to get the corner beer out. See, it's going to come easy with the hammer. There you have it. So there you have it. Now you just remove the drywall that is on here. Then you had exposed the edge of the toe, and you want to get the screws out. That way we'll be able to pull it out away from the pipe. So to remove the drain, sorry, that thing looks not that good. To remove it, you need a special tool, but sometimes you can use a strong screwdriver, and then just spin it around, and that will do the job. See, it can easy out. Okay. Got that one guy out. Shoot, has a lot of hair in there. So this one, same thing. You can use a plier to spin it, or you can use a big screwdriver and then just kind of twist it and loose it. So once you loose it, you just go around, get it out. To get that one out, you might need a tool like this. They call it a Allen wrench, and it has a little screw below there that we need to get it out. So in this case, when they install it, they made this too tight, so it won't be able to come out. So I had to cut around here, and then this one, the screw is no good, so I'm gonna have to cut it over here. But here you gotta be really careful because there's pipes behind it. So in this case, we're gonna use this tool, and then we're gonna go easily. Don't go deep all the way down, just slowly in, not too much. So that piece is loose. So it's when we pull this one out, this one is going to stay there. So it's not gonna be a problem to breaking the pipe. Here is where it's more dangerous. So over here we have to be really careful. So and there you have it. There's a lot of pipes behind, pipes with pressure, electrical cables. So now it's all clear. We just got it finished demoing that piece, just cut it in pieces, and that's it. So that's how you demo a fiberglass toe. Hope it helps to somebody, people that knows how to do it. So it's probably gonna say why this guy is doing this kind of video. So I don't care for that, people. I made this video just for people that doesn't know how to get a fiberglass toe out. So this is a way to do it. So hope you like the video, and thank you very much.